So we will make cassava cake, steam cake. From that one to squeezing out the juice. Huh, Martin?
Yeah.
The same squeezing way like that. Yeah. Can you see the juice? How much juice is there? In this recipe, you need to do this, okay?
This one was a age.
And see this? That's for glue making later on. You think it's dry enough or no?
I don't know.
I'll keep doing that and just let me know when there's no. And Moses is doing this separating of it's already been extract the juice out of this. So you try to separate, see how they stuck together. Yeah. You just have to keep doing is separate.
So kind of like this.
Just make sure you don't waste it. Okay.
I just wonder, how does a bit like full when this is like such a deep bowl?
Okay, so that's how much you. This is the how much dry you can do this kind of. I just saw hair.
Yeah,
I don't
there's
know
some
why.
hairs in here.
Anyway, so make sure it doesn't it's not contaminated your work. Anyway, that's how dry it should be.
To prevent having hairs in it, you should have
I'm talking. That's how it should, the dryness before you steam it, okay? And then you mix your desiccated coconut, like 100 grams of desiccated coconut with 1/3 1/3 cup
brown
raw sugar. Mixing it, keep mixing. I mean, separating, Moses.
Separating.
Okay, I think it's ready.
Okay, just leave it there, Martin, because I'm gonna show this mixture. Okay, I'll just put 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Now mixing while separating.
Yeah, mixing while it's separate. You're separating it. All right. Are you all right there, Martin?
Yeah.
Don't make it too dry because it's not gonna be good.
Okay.
Moisture, but
Okay.
moisture.
That should be ready for steaming now. So we just continue steaming now. To put your like a coloring or a flavoring, once it's cooked later on, you have to make sure this desiccated coconut and your raw sugar mixture will be in place before you put this cassava. We call this in Philippines binagol. Binagol, putong binagol. Kamuting kahoy binagol. Or binagol balanghoy. You spread evenly. Okay, this is steaming. We steam the cassava, tapioca cake. Make sure you put this evenly like that. You don't press down like that. Just gently spread it evenly. And then the cooking time will be like 15 minutes. Keep it, just make sure you have enough steaming or boiling water underneath your steamer. So I improvise steamer because I don't want to use the real big one. I just use this single steamer. Anyway, I mean 1 layer. So I leave that for 15 minutes, cooking and steaming. And I cooked earlier. This is the result. And that's my tapioca cake, steam cake. Okay. Well, Moses just asked me if he can try it, and of course they can have it. Okay, boys, it's tasting time. Potong balanghoy binagol. Is it satisfying? Is it yum?
Yeah.
The cassava is really fresh, isn't it? So that's how moist it should be. See? Or if it's not sweet enough, you can just put ice cream on top. Or honey. Would you like honey?
No, I'm alright.
You
Honey
prefer...
is too sweet for me.
Okay. So you prefer the desiccated coconut and the raw sugar?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have it before.
Hmm?
I'm gonna have another one.
And you know, the other version of that is just without sugar. You can just use desiccated coconut with salt, and you can eat that as main meal with roast pork or roast chicken with salad. It's just like that. Okay? Moses, you like your cooking? You like our recipe?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to remember that you can change the flavor, okay? When the time comes, you cook your own recipe with these ingredients.
There's
I mean-
always like many variations to this.
Yes.
Wait, Mom, is
With
it
that
actually
main ingredients.
is it actually all recipe? Like, did we make this recipe?
Well, it's from originally from Philippines. I mean, that recipe I grew up with this with my mom, with your grandma. But you can always change the flavor and then it can be your recipe. Okay, dokie?
Yeah.
So, meaning we have to keep planting the tapioca tree.
I
Okay?
thought it was cassava.
It's worth it to grow your own cassava, isn't it?
Wait,
Huh?
is cassava and tapioca the same?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's confused.
Are you sure you like it or you just try to be
No,
nice
no.
to me?
I actually like it. Why would I be eating another one?
I had like 4.
Thank you for helping me earlier
Mhm.
to show our friends how to do this, because maybe some of our friends doesn't know how to make this kind of cake. Okay?
Just like the parents bought the house and the plants were there and there was already like some tapioca and you're like, what is this?
Yeah. It's good to have your own food, isn't it?
Yep.
We should cook the other version without sugar. Just the shredded coconut and salt.
What if it was literally only just shredded coconut with the cassava?
Yeah, if you live in the island, you have no access of sugar,
Sugar cane?
no salt, and if it's survival, you just have to steam the thing. The cassava fruit.
Wait.
Okay?
How do you steam it with Because you would need like 2 pots.
Yeah, you only need pots and water, clean water.
So it's like you find 2 old pots.
Oh, come on, Moses, don't be silly. There's more for everybody.
How about Gabe?
Later on, he can have some. Okay. Don't forget to what? Oh, come on. Hurry up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video with your friends.
You say thank you, Pudoy.
Thank you.
Salamat kaayo.
I wish I could say that in Filipino.
Maraming salamat po.
I'm not even gonna attempt to say that.
Just try.
No, let my sis try.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming
Salamat po.
Do it better next time. Salamat kaayo. Come on. Salamat kaayo.
Salamat kayo.
It's like okay kaayo.
O sige, okay kaayo? Sige na. Moses, okay kayo? Okay kayo imong recipe?
Okay kaayo.
Lami kayo?
Yes.
Okay, thank you guys. See you next video. And do you want to try show them how to make the glue?
Yeah.
So it's like a glue from the tapioca. Glue making. Glue making.
Oh.
Okay, we'll keep that juice to make a glue. See the flour there?
That's
See
flour.
you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.